Hello students, I Ajay Gupta from Mechanical Engineering Department welcome you back to the zone of learning. Today you will learn about one of important thread manufacturing method, that is thread milling. Yes friends, thread milling is the modern and efficient method of producing thread by milling operation. Friends, thread milling is more productive than the turning process. In thread milling, single or multi-form cutter can be used. We can cut external or internal screw thread with the help of different cutters. So friends, let's see in detail about thread milling and its working. So friends, let's see content quickly what we will cover in this video session. The first one is introduction of milling. The second one is working of thread milling. Third, thread milling method. Fourth, thread milling machine. Then advantage, then disadvantage and applications. So friend, let's see the introduction about the thread milling. So before starting, just say about the thread. The threads are generally used to hold the workpiece at a place. So milling is the process of cutting off material by feeding a workpiece through a rotating cutter. The threads and worms could be cut by thread milling machine. This operation is called thread milling. So thread milling is a versatile, cost-effective process for anyone cutting a variety of threads, parts and workpiece material on the same machine. Threads produced by this method is more accurate, has better finish than that produces by another method, such as by taps, die and lathe machines. Friends, thread milling is easier on the machine tool because it requires lower cutting force than the taping. Threads having an accuracy of plus or minus 0.025 mm of pitch diameter and surface finish of 25 micro inches and spacing accuracy of plus or minus 0.01 mm can be cut. Now let's talk about the working of thread milling. So friends, the working of thread milling is little complex than the gear milling. As the teeth on the blank is spiral, which needs constant and proportional rotation of the cutter and workpiece. Thread milling is an established method of producing accurate threads in the both small and large diameter of die heads. Friends, in the milling process, the milling cutter is held on a stub arbor. The length of the threads is limited to the short ones, but thread can be produced till shoulder. And the cutter rotates at desired cutting speed and the work rotates at the correct feed speed. As the work rotates, the cutter feed outward. By controlling the direction of the tool feed and workpiece rotation, we can machine right hand and left hand threads. So friends, the single thread cutter is generally used for cutting threads of coarse pitches such as lead screw worms. Figure shows the line diagram of the working process. So next one is thread milling method. So friends, thread cutting on milling machine can be done by two types of cutters. The first one is thread milling with the disc milling cutter and second one is thread milling with the multi-point milling cutter. So now let's see the thread milling with a disc or single milling cutter. The single or disc milling cutter having the teeth in the single annular row. This method is used for cutting long, coarse, trapezoidal profile threads. Sometimes the disc cutter are used to machine triangular threads, but they are not used to cut square threads. During the operation cutting, the cutter must traverse the work or the work must traverse the cutter for the full length of the thread. The cutter head or arbor is set at the exact helix angle of the work thread. Now let's see the thread milling with multi-point milling cutter. This method widely employed for making screw threads on the ductile and hard steel and is used to produce threads of 15 to 75 mm length and 3 to 6 mm pitch. By using multi-point thread cutter, we can cut external tapered thread having threads perpendicular to the axis of the cutter as shown in the diagram. In this process, generally the direction of feed is parallel to the generator of the thread surface. So friends, now let's talk the milling machine used to cut the thread. Generally two types of machine used to cut the thread, that is First one is universal machine, or you can also say universal thread mill. This is a conventional machine. This uses a single or multi-form thread cutters. Then the second one is planetary thread mill. So friends, now let's talk about the universal thread milling machine. This machine is suitable to produce all types of external and internal threads except square threads. This machine is equipped with full length lead screw. Change gears permit milling of threads with lead of 0.8 to 152 for 1024 mm. Pick-up gears in the cutter drive allow a wide range of speeds between cutter and work, and the cutter head is mounted to the cross slide and set at the proper helix angle, either right or left hand thread. So now in the planetary thread milling machine, the machines are used to threading odd shaped parts that are difficult to hold in chuck of conventional machine. So the work is held between special fixtures and work does not rotate up during the operation. This process milling cutter rotate around its axis and work. But this process we can get both internal and external threads of different pitch at the same time. So now let's see the several advantages of the thread milling. There are several advantages of thread milling. The first one is thread is produced in one tool pass. That means no need to repeat the cutting passes. The second one is the secure machining operation. Why it is called secure machining operation? Because minimal risk of machining stops as the cutting forces are low and the chips are short. Should there be an accident, the workpiece will not be destroyed. That's why it is the secure machining operation. Now next one is it provides the higher thread quality. The cutting conditions are extremely good when you mill threads. The result of the thread is higher quality of surface finish, tolerance, angles, etc. compared with the other threading method. That's why it provides the higher thread quality. Now next one is threading in blind hole is possible in the thread milling. So when thread milling, you will get a complete thread profile to the bottom of the hole when tapping is necessary to drill much deeper as it's not until the third thread. The tap will make a complete thread profile. So that's why threading in the thread milling you will get the blind holes. Now next one is less wear on the machine spindle. Thread milling will give you a longer life to the machine spindle compared to the tapping, as the rotation of the spindle doesn't need to be stopped and reversed for every thread. Now next advantage is energy saving production. Friends, low energy consumption as the machine spindle doesn't need to be stopped and started after each thread. That's why energy consumption we can say that is less. Now the next point is can achieve correct thread diameter. Next point, flexible tool. Yes, we can say it. In the thread milling the tool used that is flexible. Why? Because same cutter can be used for the right hand and left hand thread. Threads with different diameter can be made with same tool as long as the pitch is the different. So that's why you can say the tool is not different, tool is the same, but it is known as flexible tool. And the last point of the advantage is threads can be produced till solder and all pitch are simultaneously. So after so many advantages, there are some disadvantages also. The first one is low productivity. The second, for multi-form cutters not suitable for helix and more than 3 degree. And the last one is work surface may affected as contact between cutter and work is not constant. Thread milling process is used to create variety of threads components like lead screw in the lathe machine or any machines like CNC machine, like shaper or drilling machine. Then feed screw, then worm, internal threads, large and multiple lead threads. Finally, attempt the mind twister questions attached through the link provided in the description. So that's it from this session, and see you in the next video with some more learning topic. Till keep learning, keep growing, and thank you.